Does eating garlic every day cause any issues? See in today's video what the experts say. We have talked many times about the benefits of garlic, and it is almost always included in our recipes to improve immunity, isn't it? Often rejected by its smell. Maybe not everyone knows that the regular consumption of garlic brings interesting benefits to our body. Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It is also rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B, which reduces the homocysteine levels, and vitamin C, an important antioxidant to our body. And that's why, throughout the centuries, garlic has gained the reputation of a powerful and natural anti-inflammatory. But did you know that the beneficial properties of garlic aren't limited only to protect us against colds? Learn what happens to you if you start eating garlic every day. Regulates blood pressure. If you suffer from high blood pressure, add garlic to your diet. It will dilate the blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. By regulating the blood pressure, the headaches will disappear and the load on your heart also reduces. Besides, garlic helps reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in blood, reducing the risk of heart diseases or strokes. Helps with memory. According to studies, garlic has compounds that prevent the aging of the brain and skin. The aging process is what makes our skin flaccid and makes the memory lose its sharpness. By eating garlic, elders can avoid the risk of Alzheimer's and young people can improve their memory and boost brain performance. Gives more resistance. Did you know that garlic makes your heart and muscles work more efficiently? If you practice sports, eating garlic will improve your results, and it also alleviates fatigue. Are you enjoying the video? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. Improves hair and skin. Garlic also contributes to the growth and volume of hair. For it to work, you should apply garlic oil on your scalp. Your skin can benefit from the production of natural collagen and elastin that garlic offers. Besides that, the compounds found in garlic protect the skin against photoaging, which protects it from becoming dry when exposed to the sun. Alleviates toothache. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, garlic is good for your mouth, eliminating the harmful microbes that cause tartar and also heals hurt gums. Besides that, it also reduces the risk of cavities. Isn't it amazing? However, even though garlic is a superfood, it still has some contraindications. In some cases, garlic can even be dangerous. Doctors don't recommend eating too much garlic during pregnancy and nursing. Children under 7 years old must consume it moderately. It is not recommended to eat garlic 2 weeks before a scheduled surgical intervention because it dilutes the blood and may cause bleeding. Garlic and products that have garlic as a base may cause a type of burn when in contact with the skin. Before using it, talk to a doctor. Garlic is poisonous for animals, especially to cats and dogs of Japanese breeds, Akita Inu and Shiba Inu. According to the experts, a healthy person can eat up to 4 garlic cloves a day and still feel good. Do you add garlic to your dishes? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.